welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today guys, guess what, like I promised, I'm going to be showing you guys the best and the easiest way to make the yummiest puff puff, guys. Yes, the yummiest puff puff. So let's roll. So first I have to make sure my hands are very clean. I'm mixing with my hands. I measured my flour and sieved neatly. As usual, the accurate measurement is going to be on the description box. Guys, have you subscribed to this channel? If you've not, please go and subscribe. We are waiting for you. Thank you. I added my nutmeg. It's optional, guys. You can skip if you don't want to. I added my sugar, milk flavor, and my powdered milk, and a pinch of salt. Then my yeast, and I mixed together. I added exactly 2 cups of water, then mixed with my hand. For free, guys, this is the best and the easiest puff puff recipe. Trust me. So I covered with a clean film and a towel. Then keep in a warm area for like 30 to 35, 40 minutes to double in size. So it's exactly 35 minutes. Our puff puff has doubled in size. It has risen, it has risen, it has risen. Finally, guys, I mixed with a spatula. This helps remove the bubbles. Then I heat my oil in a medium to low heat. Then scooped my puff puff. And finally, guys, our puff puff is ready. Guys, this tastes so yummy. Trust me, just as it looks. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.